Hey friends, I'm Miss Mann and I'm here to draw lines with you today. You just read the book, Lines That Wiggle, and you learned about all different types of line. So let's get started drawing some lines. I want you to get a piece of paper. I have a marker, but you can use a crayon, a pencil, anything you have. All right, let's get started. We're going to start with a zigzag line. But before we draw our lines, we're always going to practice with our finger. Practice a zigzag line. Ready? Zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag. Let's see if we can do it. I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to put it on the edge of my paper. And I'm going to do a zigzag line. Zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag. I drew a zigzag line. And you can see I went from one side of my paper all the way to another side. So you can draw your lines wherever you want on the page, as long as it goes from one side all the way to another. So there's a zigzag line. Let's see. How about a dash line? You want to do a dash line? Okay. So a dash line, I'm going to practice with my finger first. Dash, 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 dash. Let's see if we can do it. All the way from one side to the other. Dash, 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 dash. All right, we did a dash line. You want to try a dotted line? Let's try a dotted line. Okay, practice with our finger first. Dot, 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 dot. All the way from one side to the other. Let's go. Dot, 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 dot. All the way from one side to the other. What other lines did we see in Lines That Wiggle? Do you remember the wavy line? The one that looked like water? Let's try that with our finger first. Wavy. Let's see if we can do it. Wavy. A wavy line from one side to the other. All right, now it's your turn to draw any kind of line you want. Go ahead, draw any type of line that you would want, but from one side of the page to the other. While you do that, I'm going to draw my line, and I'm going to do a loop-de-loop because I like loop-de-loops. They're fun to draw. I'm going to start on one side of my page and go all the way to the other. A loop, 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 loop. All the way from one side of my page to the other. So now we've drawn 5 types of line. Let's go over what we drew. First one was a zigzag. Zigzag, 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 zig. Second one was a dashed line. Dash, 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 dash. How about a dotted line? Dot, 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 dot. Hey, how about the wavy line? Wavy. And then my line was a loop-de-loop. Yours might be different, but I did a loop-de-loop. Loop-de-loop-de-loop-de-loop-de-loop. All right. Now, friends, I need you to save this line drawing for next time we meet because we're going to add some color to it. So for now, you need to find a safe place to keep your artwork and store it there and pull it out next week when we meet again to draw. Thanks, friends. Be safe.